Understanding temporary repair policies. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing temporary repair in the food industry. More specifically, we'll be exploring the policies, procedures, and management strategies when it comes to temporary repairs. So, let's jump right into it. Understanding temporary repairs. Before we get into the details, let's start by understanding what temporary repairs are in the context of the food industry. Temporary repairs are quick-fix solutions implemented to address immediate issues with equipment, infrastructure, or systems that may impact food safety. These repairs are meant to be temporary and should be followed by permanent repairs or replacements. Establishing policies and procedures. Implementing proper policies and procedures is crucial for effective management of temporary repairs. Organizations should have clear guidelines in place to ensure that temporary repairs are conducted in a safe and hygienic manner. This includes specifying who is responsible for initiating, documenting, and approving temporary repairs, as well as outlining the necessary steps to be followed during the process. Risk assessment and prioritization. When it comes to temporary repairs, it's essential to prioritize repairs based on the level of risk they pose to food safety. Conducting a thorough risk assessment helps to identify and prioritize critical repairs that need immediate attention. By assigning priority levels and addressing high-risk areas first, organizations can effectively manage temporary repairs and mitigate potential safety hazards. Training and communication. Proper training and communication play a vital role in the successful management of temporary repairs. All relevant personnel should be trained on the proper procedures to follow when conducting temporary repairs. This includes understanding the importance of documenting repairs, ensuring cleanliness and sanitation during repairs, and effectively communicating the status of repairs with other team members. Documentation and tracking. Documentation is a critical part of managing temporary repairs effectively. By documenting each repair instance, organizations have a clear record of the repairs conducted, who performed them, and when they were completed. This documentation helps in tracking the repairs and identifying any recurring issues that might require more permanent solutions. Monitoring and follow-up. Monitoring and following up on temporary repairs is essential to ensure that they are working effectively and that permanent repairs are scheduled promptly. Regular inspections and maintenance checks should be conducted to evaluate the performance and durability of temporary repairs. Additionally, a follow-up schedule should be established to ensure that permanent repairs or replacements are completed within a reasonable timeframe. Continuous improvement. Just like any other aspect of food safety management, temporary repairs should be subject to continuous improvement. By analyzing data from temporary repair documentation, monitoring results, and feedback from staff, organizations can identify trends and recurring issues. This provides valuable insights for implementing long-term solutions and improving the overall maintenance and repair process. And there you have it, the importance of policies, procedures, and effective management of temporary repairs in the food industry. By establishing clear policies, conducting risk assessments, providing proper training, documenting repairs, and monitoring their effectiveness, organizations can effectively manage temporary repairs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more food industry content. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay safe and proactive in managing temporary repairs in your food establishment. For assistance with your HACP and SQF program, check the video link to book a call with us.